Okay guys, today in the morning I was called by my customer. He asked me to take his 530, his G38 in China. He said when he get out from the car, he will listen a big noise from the rear axle. I knew what happened. Let's take a look. Okay, let's put the microphone on the rear axle and shake the car. Take a look if we can record this noise. Here. Okay, I have drive back his car and later we'll lift up it and take a look. Okay guys, now we have lift up the car and we know which one has problem. It was because this is the ball joint. Now, if you go to BMW dealer, they will ask you for replacing the whole, the rear knuckle. But we are lucky, we have this one. We just replace this ball joint, it's okay. But you must buy a tool, a hydraulic tool. Later, let me show you. This was a common issue on the G38 car. I don't know if it will happen on the G30. If you guys get same case, just let me know. Now he's removing the old one. Okay, take off. This one you have installed.